And I'm Tiffany.
And this is Terrell.
And you're watching
the Puzzle Kidz Cookie Show.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, yeah. Hey, everybody. I'm Chef Marge. Welcome back to the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show, where we help our brother Terrell make some of his favorite meals. Since he's autistic, sometimes Terrell can't really communicate to us what he wants, so this is our way of helping him. So today's episode is Chef versus Chef Showdown Cookies. That's right. We have come back for the second time to claim my winning title. I have definitely come back to defend that.
That's what she thinks.
I'm sorry. You can take a little loser, like a sucker, for the second time around. Okay, back to basics.
And when we come back, me and Elf Terrell will start on our winning cookie. Welcome back. Now, it is finally our time to make our winning cookie and beat Margaret. Whoa! See, I didn't choke like she did. So, for TV's sake, I already pre-made our dough. We got triple. I'm speaking to you. We got cookies. Okay. So we got triple. I said triple chocolate fudge cookies and chocolate chip. We will be making cookies. Put the cookies on me, Terrell. Yes, I do it. Okay. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. And 3. Cookies. There we go. Now, me and Terrell will put it in the oven for 12 minutes. Let them rise from the dead. How long is that? Okay. Anyway, when we come back, Chef Margaret will be making her loser dish. See y'all in a minute.
Hey, everybody. I'm back. Well, I will be making my winning cookie, not losers. You see, that's what she thinks. But she don't know that I got a secret weapon up my sleeve.
I heard that.
No, she didn't. No, she didn't. You see, for my cookies, I will be making candy cookies with M&M chocolate. Let's see her try to beat that. Terrell, you want to break these apart for me? Okay, just for the sake of time here. Yep. Yeah, might be a touch. Okay, here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Since we don't have that many judges, we're just going to do 4. Unfortunately, I do not have the variety pack. I just got stuck with the one flavor of candy, so that might be a disadvantage. So let me just... But you know she can't see my weak side, so we'll keep that between us. Anyway, make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees and bake these for 12 minutes. Anything like that? Yeah. No? Okay. We'll see you when we return, and I have clearly won. Hey everybody, welcome back. Before we announce the winner, we'd like to reiterate the whole toy drive thing. If you still like to donate toys, please comment below. As you have heard last week, we are donating toys for our event at the Shade Tree on December 15th. So once you decide to donate toys, you'll be automatically entered into our PKCS holiday box. John. Yep, there you go. As you see, we have a couple members in there already. Enter and win something. Okay, great.
Now, it's time to announce the winner of whatever this is called. Chef versus chef.
Haha, she dropped it.
I didn't drop it. She didn't even get near me.
She has flimsy hands. She don't know how to catch for her dear life. Okay. Well, I need to see who won too. You never know if you may be trying to lie.
I won! Woo! Yes, you see, you got a letter B on it, Margaret. I won!
Now
It's
you owe
my
me
time to
$10.
shop. I won!
And now you owe me $10 because I bet you would win. Because I won last time. It's only fair. Just saying.
Say that. I don't give nothing.
Well, we bet backstage, so, you know, that's like, okay. I bet you would win. Only fair, yeah. Congratulations. But you still know, I won the first go-around, so we get to split this evenly.
Oh, cool.
And thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at PKCS2018.
See you.
Peace, and I'm the winner.